Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have a new blocker for Windows 11 that has to do with audio, and I'm going to actually share once again the link to the page where we have known issues for Windows. So as of the yesterday, there are two things that Microsoft has been checking out. One is they are blocking any Windows update for 24H2 to devices that have DIRAC audio. If you have a DLL that's cridspapo.dll here, you might lose the audio output either through the PC itself and even through Bluetooth. It's an issue with the driver. So what is happening is that here it says status mitigated. Mitigated is really just that you're not moving on to 24H2 if your PC has this. They're waiting for the manufacturer of the audio device to release a new driver. The manufacturer should issue a new driver which will fix it. So I'll share the link to this page because once the audio driver has been updated by a new manufacturer, you'll see here that it's going to move from mitigated to resolved. So this is something to check out. Also, appearing yesterday is a blocker for the auto HDR might cause games to stop responding or display incorrect colors. So, of course, this is happening on devices running Windows 11 24H2. Also, there will be some fixes for that, and often in the drivers also. So it's not officially a Windows issue. It's more of the driver issues. Something has changed in Windows, and the update that probably breaks something, and the manufacturer needs to update their own info, their own drivers. Once again, a lot of people are talking about, why isn't that detected before? Thing is it might have been detected before, but Microsoft didn't see it, or there's not enough of a sample out there of people using these devices to know before the release that it could happen anyways. So you are blocked if you have one of those two issues from 24H2. Once again, there's quite a few little things that appear here and there. As you see here, there's a lot of the things that are either resolved, mitigated in some way, and so on. I'll share this page. Once again, on the left side, you can see that you have the known issues for both 24H2, 23H2, and even Windows 10 information about what known issues are existing in 22H2. So check it out, and here you can get the info of when it's fixed. And once again, Microsoft does state if you have one of those issues because you're one of those that have these devices, don't update to 24H2, don't force it because it might break that issue. It might actually happen to you. So if you don't see 24H2, it's really the best thing to do is just not force it. Wait until it shows up on its own. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.